Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to go over a few details of this radio I just upgraded, restored, back to working condition. The infamous Tram D300. Very nice base station that was worth repairing and getting back on the air. This radio came in to me, it was showing its age a bit. This was made back in the early 1980s, so it's getting up there in age. But there was multiple capacitors and a few transistors that were noisy, and it had the 10-volt blues that these were famous for. So I went in and changed all the electrolytic capacitors in the microphone preamp section, back here in the audio section, back over here in the RF coupler section, over here in the PLL section. Yeah, we put new caps in over here. Also the sideband modulator, yeah, got that guy replaced. And then over here on the power supply, we put in a nice heavy duty high quality power supply cap. And yeah, took a lot of work, really. There was a few of those transistors that had to be replaced because they were just getting old and noisy. Yeah, a few of them are infamous for that. So it does have the sideband, well, I really should say AM limiter still in there, because that does affect sideband operation. But I do have R104 opened up. This will give it a little bit more modulation. Also, it's got the negative peak compression mod that really gives these guys a lot of good swing. And yeah, maybe we can get this guy a little test here. Alright. Yeah, what do you think though? That's a beaut. I went in there, I had to hand build this blue 40 channel LED. Yeah, the red one was real nice, but I decided to go with the blue look since I put in a blue frequency counter. Yeah, I could have stuck with the red, put a red frequency counter in there, and they had the stock Cobra meters in here, right? The black with the red and the green. Now, one of the meters was kind of stuck, and it was stuck pretty good, so I decided to put brand new meters in this. And I came up with my own decals for the back, so they are white and black, which will really let the blue LED shine on these. And like usual, my camera doesn't capture blue very good, sorry about that, but this is a nice deep blue color. Alright, let's see what we can do here. If I can get something out of here. Let's see, grab the microphone. Also got a variable RF knob on this guy, so it's back here. I'll turn that guy down so you can see here it's turned down about 2 watts. Check, audio check, audio check. Yeah, that's got some good forward swing on that. You lower the dead key on these things, great for running an amp. And yeah, that modulation really has room to howl. With the negative peak compression mod I got on this, yeah, that really helps. Okay, that's enough for this quick video. I'm gonna button it up, get her over there on my radio station, and give you guys another video of it in action. 73s, Bruce. Alright guys, this is part 2 of the Blue Light Special. An updated Tram D300 sideband radio Has new meters, new capacitors, upgraded to blue LEDs, installed a frequency counter, changed out those meters, and yeah, we're going to give a little on-air demonstration here. Hopefully this works out good for you. Alright, looks like we got some skip rolling in, and you can see here this radio has a external chrome speaker. This is not the stock speaker that came with this unit. Those are pretty hard to come by, and this one works pretty good, and I think it kind of fits that look. What do you think? Alright. Hopefully you guys understand what's going on here. Awesome rig, all blued out. Everybody loves those trams. They were only made for just a year or two before they went belly up. So this is the last tram radio they ever produced. Alright. 73s. Bruce. Alright guys, we're going to give you some updates on how the modifications of this radio turned out and the end results. You can see here we have a Tram D300. Very nice radio. This one actually turned out really well. We were to clean these guys up, get everything to shine. Yeah, it looks really good, don't you think? So, in my usual fashion, I ripped out the old clock and I put in a frequency counter. I decided to do the blue makeover, make this really unique. So it's got brand new meters in there with blue LEDs. Now you can see that's a little washed out in this, but those are nice blue, dark blue meters to match these LEDs over here. This guy also has extra frequencies over here on the old channel 9 switch. So you can see here it goes up to 28,405, and it's got two bands kind of below channel 60 and above channel 60, and there it tops out. The normal bands all the way down. And yeah, we recapped this radio, all new caps in the audio circuit, the microphone circuit, PLL, power supply. It's got a few new transistors in there, brand new meters. Yeah, it's really a nice rig. You can see there we got the chrome speaker to go along with it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this last video. You'll see this guy for sale on eBay very soon.